New Ego Power Plus Backpack Blower, delivering an astonishing 600 cubic feet of airflow per minute, powered by the industry's first and most advanced 56-volt lithium-ion battery. Weighing in at only 12.5 pounds, the Ego Power Plus Backpack Blower is designed to deliver the power and runtime you need, but without the noise and hassle of gas. The 1200-watt brushless motor and 5 amp-hour battery offer runtimes up to 120 minutes on a single charge. A variable speed control allows you to dial up or down the power for superior control, and the turbo button gives you max power for clearing heavy debris. With Ego, there are no compromises. Get the power and performance of gas without the noise, fuss, and fumes. The Ego Power Plus battery is part of a system and can be used on any tool or charger for maximum versatility and value. Revolutionize the way you do yard work with the industry's top-rated cordless platform of tools. Ego. Power beyond belief.
The Chapin 8400 series professional spreader, available in 80 or 100 pound capacity. Take on larger jobs with ease. Navigate rugged terrain with 14-inch wide tread pneumatic tires. Easily adjust the width and direction of your spread pattern. Solid steel linkage provides precise gate adjustment. The stainless steel frame provides maximum hopper support and corrosion resistance. The enclosed metal gears with handy grease fitting ensures a long life under heavy loads.
DJI's latest agricultural drone, the MG1P series, dramatically increases work efficiency to operate at the next level. Banked turning mode uses optimized flight route algorithms that allow the MG1P series to increase working efficiency by up to 20%. A 5-meter spraying width lets the MG1P series cover an average of 6 hectares per hour. With a 123-degree wide-angle camera, the MG1P series supports HD video transmission, displaying real-time information of the surrounding field while providing a reference for obstacle avoidance. For added assistance, dual searchlights help ensure safe operation in low light. Traditional operation planning requires additional manpower for recording. An onboard FPV camera lets users record waypoints during flight, facilitate route planning, and avoid the trouble of manual recording to increase efficiency and save time. The MG1P series brings an updated intelligent remote controller with a dual-band transmission system. Low-altitude flight can be controlled from up to 3 kilometers away, while ensuring stable communications in even complex operation environments. Since crop spraying is a largely seasonal service, it can become a challenge to find available pilots at peak times of the year. To solve this problem, the MG1P series supports multiple aircraft's control from a single remote controller. One pilot can simultaneously control up to 5 aircrafts with a single remote controller, reducing operational cost and completing more tasks in a shorter time frame. While protecting a field, reliability and efficiency are equally important. Uneven terrain, electrical wires, and trees add risk to an operation. The MG1P series is equipped with an omnidirectional radar system that integrates 3 high-precision detection radars and 1 obstacle avoidance radar. It can detect objects as small as a ½ centimeter power line from up to 15 meters away. It also analyzes the terrain to adjust aircraft altitude to achieve safe operation. The radar system is protected by IP67 casing for an all-weather durability and convenient maintenance. Adaptive protection features such as an 8-axis propulsion redundancy design ensure safety even when one of the motors is damaged during flight. Precise positioning is critical when operating in complex environments. MG1P RTK achieves centimeter-accurate positioning while resisting electromagnetic interference, significantly improving flight stability and route precision for safer, more reliable flight. For extended service, the spraying system uses aerospace composite materials that resist corrosion and double surface life. Leakage-proof nozzles can be started or stopped in just ½ a second. Flow-closed loop control technology increases spraying precision. The MG1P series provides multiple solutions for agriculture applications, benefiting users with efficiency and reliability.
The days of straining your back and your knees are over. This adjustable ground-breaking plow helps achieve the precise planting depth based on the type of seed you're using. Featuring 6 interchangeable seed plates, the 8701B can accommodate 20 seed types and discharge them at appropriate intervals without jamming. The 30-inch rotating wheel row marker helps provide row width flexibility, and the wheel moves easily through the soil. The stabilizing kickstand can be moved out of place with your hand or your foot. And with the comfort padded hand grips, it makes pushing the garden seeder a breeze.
A garden is a fusion of light and air, earth and water. It's a living, breathing thing. A good gardener has to be mindful. You have to understand the interaction between all of nature's elements and what those mean for your plants. 18 months ago, I set out to create something that could change how people interact with their land, their plants, and their garden. Something that could help them better understand their environment, because understanding your environment is the first step to conserving it. I created a company called EDYN, and this is our first product, the EDYN Garden Sensor. EDYN assesses soil nutrition in your garden, tracks how humid or dry it may be, the temperature, the kind of sunlight you're getting throughout the day. Then EDYN takes all that information about your garden and cross-references it with meteorological data from the area you live in. EDYN can tell you what type of fertilizer is best for your soil and what vegetables will thrive in it, when to plant them, and how often to water. And that advice isn't just based on generalities, it's based on what's happening in your garden right now. The end result is healthier, more sustainable plants, and hopefully, a deeper connection to your garden. It's really easy to overwater or underwater your garden. Our sprinkler systems just aren't that smart. We wanted to change that. This is the EDYN water valve. It's a smart controller that manages your existing watering system. Unlike other watering systems, the EDYN valve doesn't use a preset schedule. EDYN knows exactly what your garden needs on any given day, and the valve automatically manages your sprinkler system to make sure your plants get precisely that. That means no more waste, no more underwatering, no more overwatering. Your plants get just what they need. If you're a novice gardener, we can help you grow something beautiful. If you're a master gardener, EDYN can give you insight into what's happening beneath the surface of your soil. Minute changes in acidity and moisture, the kind of plant stressors that you wouldn't otherwise notice until it's too late. Together, we can take steps to change our food system for the better and make it more sustainable for generations to come. We're really excited to share EDYN with you.